Thanks to the infamous John Carlo, we were all actually shocked at what she was able to pull off as we neared the end of day one.
Now that you're cutting hair, you actually see how each next number grazes over the previous number. And as it
just
grazes
slightly though?
just enough to blend it.
Yeah.
And that's how you don't create any new weight lines.
Oops.
That's how you get everything to connect seamlessly.
Skin line.
Skin line.
So that would be...
Remember when I did my skin line? What tool did I use?
You use the clipper.
Used clipper.
Yeah.
Right? But I changed my clipper. I use a different clipper.
Oh, yeah. This one.
Why did I change my tool?
Because we don't need as much power necessarily anymore.
Necessarily,
Like-
but look at the blade.
Oh, it's a fade.
It's a fade blade. So even though you were using a vapor blade, which will still cut precision, but since this is a fade blade, this will cut a little more than a vapor blade. So that's the reason why we move over to our clipper with a fade blade. In this case, it's your Gamma Protege.
Yeah, closed.
Closed.
Okay. And just like a finger, right?
Yep, about a pinky's width, short C stroke. So you want to stay right there, just create that C stroke. Once you finish creating your skin line with your clipper, you can go ahead and remove any other hair underneath your skin line with your trimmer, and you can use your trimmers to clean up any imperfections on that soft line of demarcation. If you see any.
Yeah. Which corner would you would use, like this corner, right? Or like this?
If I was working towards the back, I would use your right corner. If I'm coming back from the back towards the front, I would use my left corner. That looks
A little
good.
bit better? Okay. I have my concentrated face on.
Beautiful.
Are you showing more confidence in her?
I am. A little bit.
I hope so.
We may survive till next year, though.
And then this one I go just slightly above.
Yep.
Okay.
We are here, right?
Sorry, my concentrated self doesn't have much to say other than this is a lot harder than it looks. You made it look pretty easy. Okay.
Beautiful. Flawless.
Wow.
We want you guys to come and see her project here.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, legit, I just want to say I'm really proud of you. I think you really knocked this out of the park. I can't believe you did this whole side by yourself. From where you came in, a little timid, you really kicked butt. So let's give her a round of applause, everybody. Come on.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
It's awesome. We were literally watching. We're like, hey, look at her go.
Yo.
Okay.
Some say it is a teacher, but I'm not here to take any credit. I'm not here to take no credit.
Lexi, are you ready for your couple final exams tomorrow?
Yeah, I think so.
Pretty good about it?
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it.
Yeah.
So your last two tests for tomorrow, your last two exams, is a two-part test. One, I want you to do the same haircut on a mannequin, solo, with no guidance. And then two, I want you to cut Hunter's hair.
All right.
All right? So, and then, if you mess up, that's finito.
That's it.
That's it.
All right.
Ultimate test.
I think I could do
A
it.
little better.
This is it, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Tomorrow she has two of her final tests, one on a mannequin and one on her boyfriend. Ta-da.
Nice. Wow, I can't even tell who did which side.
Yo, put that hat back on.